Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about algorithm and flowchart. And in today's class, we will learn about algorithm. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. We all solve problems in everyday life, and a problem has a solution. Many times we do not recognize, but if you pay close attention, you will know that a solution is nothing but a set of steps, a set of predefined steps. It could be 5 steps, it could be 50 steps, but still there is a set of steps. In technical terms, those set of steps or set of instruction is called an algorithm. An algorithm represents a set of instructions that can solve a problem at hand at a finite number of steps. And we will learn about finite part in a minute. In programming, an algorithm plays a very essential role, because if you remember, coding is all about feeding instructions to a computer. Now, before we feed the instruction to a computer, we need to know what those instructions are. Many times we have it in our head, and that is what we translate into code. Algorithm is nothing but that the solution that we have in our head that we are going to give it to a computer in the form of a coding. Let's take a real life example. We all know how to make tea. Some of you or some of us take tea, and if in case you do not know, here is a pictorial steps to make tea. You can see here that we fill the kettle with enough water to make a cup of tea. And this enough part, I'm going to talk very quickly soon about it, but for now I'm keeping the word enough. Suppose if you're making tea for 1 or 2 person, then maybe you need 1.5 cup of tea. Then we plug in and switch on the kettle, and so on. We follow these 8 steps and our tea is ready. Now the important part of this algorithm, making cup of tea algorithm, is that if you repeat these set of instructions, you will guarantee get a tea ready to sip. Similarly, take a mathematical example. Let's say we want to check if a number is even or odd, or a number is positive or negative. It's pretty straightforward. You take the number, then if the number is greater than 0, then it's a positive number. If our number is less than 0, then it's a negative number, right? So that set of instructions, these 3 steps, is what is known as algorithm of finding whether a number is positive or negative. So you always start with a problem and you break down your solution in steps. The set of steps is nothing but an algorithm, and you will see more on algorithm in next couple of sessions, where we'll even practice and understand a little bit more about what are the characteristics of algorithm, and how we should optimize our algorithm, because and then we will also learn how to visually represent these algorithms, how to visually represent this. Right now, if you notice, everything is a text. So one line of text, second line, third line, fourth line, everything is a text, which is a little bit hard to read, and we'll talk more about it when we talk about a visual representation. But that's all in today's class. If you have any question, post it in the community on our platform, that is my.codemode.us. Also take time to solve the quiz associated with the concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.